The next option for us to create personalization is on YouTube thumbnails. A YouTube thumbnail style is a reusable template for thumbnails. You give it examples and the system generates a template with placeholders, like, for example, if the image you uploaded has like maybe there's a place with a title or a subtitle, it will just put placeholders so it can be reused on different videos that are going to use this YouTube thumbnail style engine. So what you're going to do is you're going to toggle to YouTube thumbnail, a new thumbnail style. Now this works similarly to the render style. You just upload the reference images and then it will just populate here. So let's do an example. So I'm going to upload an image and select. You can upload up to 4. So I'm going to just upload 1 and then we see an example of it. So you can see that the images are analyzed, and you can click on this to just view the details and see the analysis. And now when we come to the detail, you can see the text placement, the focal point, typography, everything. So we have that instruction of how to create our thumbnail. So that is it for the YouTube thumbnail. In this same video, we're going to look at YouTube details. For YouTube details, it's pretty simple. So we are going to click new detail style. But before that, let me just briefly talk to you about what the YouTube detail style is about. So a YouTube detail style is example based. You add titles and descriptions you like, maybe from competitors or from your existing channel, and then the system uses those examples as a style guide for future uploads. That is the YouTube video title and the YouTube video description. All right, so we are going to click, just make sure you toggle to YouTube details, and then we're going to click new detail style. And then once you're here, you will see that we are able to put YouTube title example. So you can add up to 10, and you can also add up to 10 YouTube description examples. I hope that is clear. It's as simple as that. So when you add, you can add more, add more, add more. You can remove, yeah, just like that. Add description. You can add up to 10, so that the system knows like how good YouTube descriptions look like for your specific channel. And then now when you select this engine, everything will just be automated and you get the best quality possible.